Have you ever wondered what it takes to keep a magnificent body in excellent shape? Just like a building needs the right materials and constant maintenance, our bodies need the right components and care to achieve optimal health and vitality as we age. In this video, I'm going to share the blueprint to anti-aging and longevity, a journey that starts at the very core of our being, our DNA. Think of DNA as the master blueprint of life. It instructs our cells on how to produce and maintain the body's structure and function. This process is known as the central dogma of biology. DNA transcribes its code to RNA, which then translates it into proteins. These proteins are essential for creating new and error-free cells, a crucial part of normal stem cell regeneration. Through this incredible process, our body continually replenishes itself from head to toe, replacing damaged and dying cells. This natural regeneration is key to maintaining a youthful appearance and strong, healthy body. But here's the catch. For normal stem cell regeneration to occur effectively, our bodies need essential molecules and minerals. And this is where supplementation comes into play. Meet nucleotides, the building blocks of DNA, oligopeptides, crucial for repairing, rebuilding and regenerating new healthy cells, and amino acids, the building blocks of proteins that make up our entire body inside and out. Now, you might be wondering, where can we find these vital components in one powerful supplement? The answer is Immuregan. Immuregan is a remarkable product researched and developed with clinical trials spanning over 5 decades. Proprietary certified in 1983, it was crafted by top immunologists and biochemists in Eastern Europe. Once considered Europe's best-kept secret for immunity and regeneration at the DNA level, Forever Healthy Products has now introduced Immuregan to the world. For more information, check the links in the description box below. Immuregan contains the essential materials like nucleotides, oligopeptides, and amino acids that are necessary for normal stem cell regeneration. It's designed to help your body repair, rebuild, and regenerate itself, leading to an anti-aging effect and promoting longevity. Just like maintaining a building ensures its functionality and longevity, taking care of your body with the right supplementation is key to achieving optimal health and vitality. So, if you're looking to unlock the secret to anti-aging and longevity, consider Immuregan as your go-to supplement. It's time to give your body the excellent and fitting materials it needs to stay in perfect shape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on achieving optimal health and vitality. Check the links in the description box below to get more valuable information about Immuregan. Stay healthy, stay vibrant.